कल कर लेंगे यार. We'll do it tomorrow. Sounds familiar, right? We have all said this line, from students delaying assignments to professionals avoiding that one important email, and even creators postponing that one perfect idea. But have you ever wondered, why do we procrastinate? आखिर हम करना चाहते भी हैं, पर फिर भी नहीं करते हैं. Let's understand this scientifically. Procrastination isn't about being lazy. It's about emotion management. Yes, emotion management. Science कहता है, when we procrastinate, we are not avoiding the task. We are avoiding the emotions attached to the task. Stress, fear of failure या boredom. So technically, हम अपनी feelings से भाग रहे होते हैं, not the work itself. Picture this. You sit down to study for an exam. You open your book and suddenly your brain whispers, अरे थोड़ा इंस्टाग्राम चला लेते हैं, दो चार रील्स देख लेंगे, मूड बन जाएगा, पढ़ाई में भी मजा आएगा. और अरे थोड़े यूट्यूब वीडियोस देख लेते हैं 10 मिनट के, इंटरेस्टिंग हो जाएगा, मूड रिफ्रेश हो जाएगा और पढ़ाई में भी मजा आएगा. That's your brain's way of escaping discomfort because studying feels heavy, pressure filled, yeah, boring. So your mind chooses instant comfort, scrolling, chatting, or watching reels. Short term happiness always wins over long term benefit. That's procrastination. Now let's see what's happening inside your brain. There are two main players here. First, the limbic system, that's your emotional brain. Second, the prefrontal cortex, your logical brain. When a task feels stressful, your limbic system says, ये uncomfortable लग रहा है, let's avoid it. But your prefrontal cortex tries to reason it by saying, no, this is important, let's do it. If your emotions win, you tend to delay it. If your logic wins, you start doing it at that moment itself. So, procrastination is not a time problem, it's an emotion problem. Now, imagine this while in office, your boss says, prepare a presentation for tomorrow and complete it by end of the day today. You open your PowerPoint, look at the blank slide, and suddenly, चाय की तलब हो रही है, जरा पी के आते हैं. Or you start gossiping with your colleagues on some matter happened yesterday. You're not lazy. You're avoiding the anxiety of started something uncertain. That hesitation, psychologists call it task initiation resistance. Now, here's the tricky part. Every time we delay a task, we give our brain a reward because avoiding stress feels good and that releases dopamine, the same chemical that makes you feel happy. So your brain learns avoiding is equal to relief. That's how procrastination becomes a habit. It's literally hardwired into our brain. But then comes guilt. You feel bad for not doing it. That guilt creates more stress. And to escape that stress, you procrastinate again. It's a loop. You feel guilty, so you avoid more. You keep avoiding it and you feel guiltier. Sounds familiar, right? So, how do we break this? Here are some proven psychological tricks. One is the 2 minute rule. Just start for 2 minutes. Tell yourself, बस 2 मिनट के लिए पढ़ लेता हूँ, शायद मन लग जाए. Once you begin, the emotional barrier drops. One is make it smaller. Instead of saying मैं पढ़ लूंगा या आज मैं पूरा एक चैप्टर पढ़ूंगा, स्टार्ट बाय स्मॉल बाय सेइंग इट, यार एक पेज पढ़ लेता हूं, फिर देखूंगा क्या करना है. Small goals rewire your brain for success. One is reward completion, not avoidance. Instead of watching reels before working, watch them after finishing the task. जैसे एक बार आप पढ़ लो, फिर अपने आप को कहो कि पढ़ने के बाद मैं 10 से 15 मिनट रील्स देखूंगा. Because of this, you will use dopamine as a reward, not as an escape. One is forgive yourself. Studies show self forgiveness breaks the guilt loop. Say, it's okay, I'll start again. या मुझसे गलती हो गई, मैं पढ़ नहीं पाया, बट अब मैं अच्छे से पढ़ूंगा. Instead of criticizing yourself. Let's be honest, we all procrastinate. Even psychologists, scientists, and motivational speakers. The difference is they don't deny it, they notice it. Next time you catch yourself saying, Kal kar lenge yaar, pause for 5 seconds and ask, can I do just 2 minutes now? Because that's where change begins. Procrastination isn't your enemy, it's your mind's way of protecting you from discomfort. But the moment you start, the fear fades and progress feels peaceful. So maybe not tomorrow, maybe today is the best day to begin because peace of mind starts with a single small action. This is Shubham bringing you calm to psychology.